So, how does an electric car actually work? Forget hundreds of engine parts. EVs have a big battery under the floor and a simple electric motor. No petrol, no explosions, no exhaust, just electricity flowing straight to the wheels. Press the accelerator, and you get instant power. No gears, no waiting. Electric motors are quiet, efficient, and have very few moving parts. That's why EVs are so reliable and smooth. The result? No tailpipe emissions, just clean, silent motion. EVs are far more energy efficient than petrol cars, converting over 85% of energy into movement. You're not burning fossil fuels as you drive, so you're helping clean up city air. Plus, with fewer parts, there's less to maintain and less to go wrong. It's a smarter, simpler way to drive. The switch from combustion to electricity is a game changer. Welcome to the future of motoring. Are people really buying EVs? Absolutely. What started as a niche is now a global movement. In 2023, over 14 million electric cars were sold worldwide, a number that's skyrocketing every year. By 2026, we could see 25 million new EVs sold annually. China leads the charge, Europe's close behind, and the US is catching up fast. EVs are now a common sight, not a rarity. Every major car maker is investing billions in electric models. The petrol engine's dominance is fading. EVs are the future. More sales mean better cars and more charging stations, fueling even faster growth. The electric revolution is here, and it's changing our roads forever. Why are EVs booming? 3 big reasons. Better batteries, more chargers, and government support. Battery tech has improved dramatically, more range, less weight, and much lower costs. Today's batteries are cheaper and let you drive farther than ever before. Charging infrastructure is expanding fast. Chargers are everywhere, from supermarkets to motorways. Range anxiety is fading as public charging becomes easy and accessible. Governments are offering incentives, tax breaks, grants, perks like free parking. At the same time, stricter emissions rules are pushing petrol cars out. These factors combine to make EVs practical and affordable for millions. The result? More people are making the switch every day. The momentum is unstoppable. The electric future is being built right now. It's a perfect storm, and it's only getting stronger.